Elon Musk is on course to become the world's first trillionaire. Tesla shareholders have approved a record-breaking pay deal for its boss. After the announcement, Mr. Musk, who's already the world's richest man, took to the stage and danced to chants of his name. To receive the unprecedented payout, he must drastically raise Tesla's market value over 10 years. If he does this and meets various targets, he'll be rewarded with hundreds of millions of new shares. The scale of the package has drawn criticism, but Tesla's board argued that Mr. Musk might leave if it weren't approved. Our North America business correspondent Michelle Fleury reports.
Elon Musk is already unfathomably rich and, well, he just got a lot wealthier potentially. Amidst raucous cheers and dancing robots at their annual meeting, Tesla shareholders officially approved Mr. Musk's pay package.
And CEO Elon Musk, with over 75% voting in favor, approved.
Although he won't receive a salary, the deal does unlock Tesla's stock worth about $1 trillion if the company meets certain criteria within the next decade, which includes getting 1 million driverless robo-taxis into commercial operation. Along with his heartfelt thanks, Mr. Musk also gave shareholders his vision of how the biggest electric car company in America will make all of them wealthier by also becoming the biggest producer of humanoid robots in the world.
I think it's going to be the biggest product of all time by far. Yeah. So, like bigger than cell phones, bigger than anything.
If Mr. Musk is to realise the full value of the pay package, his company and large sections of the economy are going to be drastically changed. Tesla shareholders, meanwhile, have placed a large bet on Mr. Musk and a robot-filled vision of the future. And if you were wondering how much that is, well, think of it like this. $1 trillion is like a mountain of $100 bills, so tall that it would reach a third of the way to the moon.
That's quite a statistic, isn't it, Michelle Fleury? Let's speak to financial commentator Susanna Streeter. I mean, how inevitable was this that the board agreed?
Well, given the huge marketing push that Tesla and the board had led to try and get lots of shareholders on side, it wasn't surprising. There was opposition. Norway's sovereign wealth fund, for one, not happy with this direction Tesla has taken. But there are armies of retail investors invested in Tesla stock, and they certainly have drunk the Kool-Aid in terms of the hype, believing the hype that Tesla has put forward. I mean, that's not to say that it doesn't have lots of irons in the fire in terms of robotics. It is, one of the forefront companies in this revolution. But the problem is there is a lot of competition. And so it's certainly not going to be plain sailing ahead.
Where is that main competition coming from and in what sectors?
Well, for example, Tesla is positioning itself as an AI and robotics company. That's where the valuation is coming from. It's not from electric vehicles anymore. So in the self-drive technology, you've got Waymo, for example, Alphabet's Waymo, already rolling out self-drive cars in cities around the world. And Tesla is still mainly at more of a testing stage. And then you've got the Optimus robot, this humanoid robot that Tesla really does believe is the future, and Elon Musk says is the future. We'll all want one. Well, there are other robots being developed. The Agibot in China, for example, is leaps ahead, developed by Huawei engineers. So again, there is a lot of competition. There's energy storage as well, but there's competition there. So whichever way you look at it, it is not going to be easy for Elon Musk to achieve this $1 trillion payout.
Yeah, because the aim is an $8 trillion valuation. I can't even work out how many zeros is in that number. It seems unreachable, but they're confident.
Well, they are confident, but there is a lot of hype around it. NVIDIA, the huge chip makers, just achieved a $5 trillion valuation, an eye-watering sum. Tesla wants to go way further than that. Yet at the same time, we've got all of these warnings coming from industry heavyweights, senior banking leaders in the United States, that there could be this AI bubble brewing and a correction. So at the same time, so all of these warnings are coming through, that valuations are overblown, you've got Tesla, really aiming sky high. So I think at the moment, this $1 trillion payout for Musk is simply a headline, given the huge barriers that it had to overcome.
Susanna, good to talk to you as always. Thank you very much, Susanna Streeter.